In this video, we are going to see some of the neat questions asked in previous years. The first one, which of the following molecule has trigonal planar geometry? The options given are IF3, PCl3, NH3 and BF3. According to the choice given, we are going to see what is the hybridization and the geometry of the given molecule. The first one is IF3, trifluoroiodine IF3. The structure is T geometry. Here it is like the 2 lone pair of electron and 3 bond pair electron. The hybridization is sp3 dehybridization. The next one is phosphorus trichloride. The geometry is pyramidal geometry. And here 1 lone pair of electron and 3 bond pair electron. The hybridization is sp3 hybridization. And here the next one is ammonia NH3. The shape of the molecule is trigonal pyramidal structure. Here 3 bond pair electron and 1 lone pair of electron. The hybridization is sp3. The last one is boron trifluoride. Here the structure is symmetry is trigonal planar structure. Here all are 3 bond pair of electron, no lone pair, and hybridization is sp3. So here in this 4 molecule givens, the boron trifluoride only possesses trigonal planar structure with 3 bond pair and sp3 hybridization. So the answer is boron trifluoride. So which of the following molecule possesses trigonal planar symmetry is? The answer is boron trifluoride. So the next question is, in which one of the following will form a linear polymeric structure due to hydrogen bonding? There are 4 choices given: ammonia, HCl, H2O and HF. And comparing with water molecule and hydrogen fluoride, the possibility and strength of hydrogen bonding is negligible in the case of ammonia and HCl. So now we are going to see the hydrogen bonding present in hydrogen fluoride and H2O to find out the correct answer. Here in the case of H2O, here it forms extra hydrogen bonding, that is why it is present in the liquid state. Neutral solvent we are using for drinking purpose. But here it is a bent structure is present in the water molecule. There is no linear structure. Hydrogen bonding is present in water molecule, but it is a water molecule is a bent structure, not forming any linear chain. But in the case of hydrogen fluoride, because of the electronegativity of fluorine, it forms extra hydrogen bonding, additional bonding with the nearby hydrogen called hydrogen bonding. Because of the hydrogen bonding, hydrogen fluoride forms linear structure. So, on comparing with the water molecule and with the HF only forms linear structure. So, in this option, which one will form a linear polymeric structure due to hydrogen bonding is hydrogen fluoride is the answer. D is the answer. Next question is, among the following group, which represents the collection of isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species means having same number of electron is called isoelectronic species. NO plus, nitrogen 7, oxygen 6, plus 1, 7. So like that there are different species given. So we have to find out which one set of species possess same number of electron. So now we are going to see which set possesses same number of electron. Electronic state, the same number of equal number of electron. Now consider carbon monoxide. Here the carbon 6, oxygen 8, there are 14 electrons. NO plus, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8. So plus sign, it is deficient in electron, 8 minus 1, thereby 7. 7 plus 7, that is 14 electron. Cn minus, carbon 6, nitrogen 7. Here the negative charge means extra 1 electron, thereby 6 plus 7 plus 1. So the total it is 14 electron. C2 2 minus. For carbon 6 there are 2 carbon, 2 into 6 12, 2 minus is present, that means it contains extra 2 electron, thereby 12 plus 12 it is 14. So here the CO, NO plus, Cn minus, C2 2 minus. Here according to this ionic state, here are otherwise we can say that oxidation state, they all contain 14 electrons. So said to be isoelectronic, So in the given choices, the D choice is CO, NO plus, Cn minus, C2 2 minus. The D is the correct answer. Is all the species contain same number of electron, said to be isoelectronic. D is the answer. Next question is, which of the two ions from the list given below have the geometry that is explained by the same hybridization of orbitals? So there are different species given: NO2 minus, NO3 minus, NH2 minus, NH4 plus and SCN minus. First we have to find out the hybridization state of the different species given. Then we have to find out which pairs possess same number, which possess same hybridization. So here in this the species are given, different species are given: NO2 minus, NO3 minus, NH2 plus, NH4 minus, SCN plus. Here the hybridization also given: NO2 minus and NO3 minus sp2, NH2 plus sp3, NH4 minus sp3 and SCN plus sp. Here in this, that's according to the choice given, the NO2 minus and NO3 minus possess the same hybridization, the choice D. NO2 minus and NO3 minus possess same hybridization, that is sp2 hybridization on analysis. So D is the answer. Usually VSEPR theory, the type of bonding, paramagnetic, diamagnetic, bond shape, these are all the questions asked in NEET.